That skill presents combined operations. The word operations in maths pertain to all the things that you can do with numbers. For example, add, subtract, multiply, divide, take the square root, and so on. So a math sentence comprises of some numbers and some operations that you need to perform on those numbers. And then the question arises, do you do the operations in any specific order when there are more than one type of operation in a math sentence? Take for example this one, 2 plus 3 times 4. So do you add the 2 with the 3, get a 5, and then times that with 4, get a 20 as your answer? Or do you do 3 times 4, get a 12, and add 2 to it, get a 14 as your answer? So which is the right answer to this expression? Is it 20 or is it 14? And that's decided by something called BADMAS. B stands for bracket, O stands for orders, that is the powers or the exponents or the square roots and so on. D and M stand for division and multiplication. A and S stands for addition and subtraction. And you should perform the operations in this order. So if you see a bracket or a parenthesis in a math expression, you work that first. Then you work with the exponents or the powers, followed by division and multiplication in the same order as you see them starting from left to right on the expression. So it's not as if like you should do a division first ahead of multiplication. If you want to choose between division and multiplication, which one to do first, start from the left of the expression, do the one that comes first. And the same goes with addition and subtraction. It's not as if like addition should be done ahead of subtraction. You do the one between these two that comes first, starting from the left of the expression. Coming back to this particular expression, we have an addition and a multiplication, and if we follow BODMAS, we know that multiplication comes ahead of addition, and therefore you would go on to multiply 3 with 4 first, get a 12, and then do the addition with the 2. So the answer is going to be 14. If, however, you had a bracket or a parenthesis around the 2 plus 3, because bracket is the first thing you want to work, then you would do the 2 plus 3, get a 5 out of this, and multiply that with 4 to get a 20. Similarly, 24 divided with 4 minus 1 is equal to division ahead of subtraction. So you have 24 divided with 4, that's 6, minus 1, which is equal to 5. But if you had a parenthesis around the 4 minus 1, you would do that first because parenthesis or bracket comes first ahead of division. So this is going to be equal to 24 divided by 4 minus 1 is 3. So this answer is 8. And 48 divided with 4 times 6 plus 10 is equal to, we have a division, a multiplication, and an addition. Division and multiplication have the same precedence, which means you start from the left, whichever comes first, do that first. 48 divided with 4, so this part is 12, times 6 plus 10. Now multiplication is ahead of addition. 12 times 6 is 72 plus 10, that's 82. But if you had a bracket or a parenthesis around the 4 times 6, the whole problem changes. You got to work that first. So then this is going to be equal to 48. Don't do the division, do the multiplication first. 4 times 6 is 24 plus 10. Division ahead of addition. So this is equal to 48 divided by 24 is 2 plus 10. That's equal to 12. Completely different answers. That's how you should use BODMAS.